Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue with getting a black screen on your computer when trying to perform a display capture with OBS Studio. OBS Studio is great free open source software that lets you easily capture audio and video and even stream. However, if you're just getting up and running with OBS, you'll need to spend a little time getting it set up just right. One common problem users run into is getting a black screen when trying to perform a display capture. The good news is that this is often an issue associated with your computer's graphic settings that can be resolved in a few minutes. Now let's walk through the steps to fix getting a black screen when trying to perform a display capture in OBS Studio. Step 1. Click the Start icon and then click Settings to open the Settings menu. Click System on the settings screen. Choose Display in the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Graphic Settings in the list of options on the right side of the screen. You'll land on the Graphic Settings screen. Step 2. Click the Choose an App to Set Performance drop-down, and then choose Desktop App. I did see other people advising you to select Classic App, but this wasn't in my list of options, and choosing Desktop App worked just fine. Step 3. Click Browse. Navigate to where your OBS Studio executable file is located. The default location where my file was located is on the screen. Select your OBS Studio executable file and then click Add. You'll return to the graphics settings screen where you'll now see OBS Studio in this list. Step 4. Click Options associated with OBS Studio to open the Graphics Preference menu. Choose Power Saving in this menu and then click Save. Now you'll be able to capture your screen in OBS Studio with no issues. Let me know what you use OBS Studio for in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.